Welcome. If you're preparing for an Android developer interview, you're about to embark on an exciting journey. The process can be both thrilling and a bit nerve-wracking, but with the right preparation, you can confidently tackle any challenge that comes your way. In this video, we'll walk through the essential topics and practical tips that will help you stand out in your next interview. Drawing from real experiences, including lessons learned from setbacks, we'll focus on what truly matters for success. Whether you're new to Android development or looking to refine your skills, this guide is designed to give you the edge you need. Let's dive in and set the stage for your interview success. Android development is a dynamic and ever-changing field. Employers are searching for candidates who not only have a solid programming foundation, but also possess specialized knowledge related to Android app development. Staying updated with the latest trends and tools is crucial. In this scene, we'll explore why adaptability and continuous learning are key traits for any successful Android developer. By understanding what employers are looking for, you can tailor your preparation to meet their expectations and demonstrate your commitment to growth in this fast-paced industry. Before we dive deeper, here's a valuable resource for all Android developers, a newsletter crafted by developers for developers. This newsletter offers insights like trending apps, interview questions, interesting facts, coding memes, and expert advice. Subscribing to such resources keeps you informed about industry updates and helps you stay connected with the developer community. It's a great way to supplement your interview preparation with real-world knowledge and community-driven tips. Make sure to leverage these resources as you prepare for your next big opportunity. Strong command of programming languages is essential for any Android developer. Java and Kotlin are the two primary languages used in Android app development. Interviewers will expect you to be proficient in at least one of them. Understanding the syntax, features, and best practices of these languages is crucial. In this scene, we'll discuss why mastering Java or Kotlin can set you apart and how you can showcase your expertise during interviews. Brush up on your language skills and be ready to demonstrate your knowledge through practical examples and coding challenges. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a foundational concept in Android development. Interviewers often test your understanding of OOP principles such as inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. These concepts help you write clean, maintainable, and scalable code. Inheritance allows you to build upon existing classes, while polymorphism provides flexibility. Encapsulation hides internal details, and abstraction lets you define common behaviors. Demonstrating a solid grasp of these ideas will show your ability to design robust applications. Make sure you can explain and apply each principle with clear examples. Understanding the solid principles is vital for writing clean and modular code. These 5 principles, single responsibility, open-closed, list of substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion, guide software design and development. Each principle addresses a specific aspect of code organization and maintainability. During interviews, you may be asked to explain or apply these principles in real-world scenarios. Being able to discuss solid confidently demonstrates your commitment to best practices and your ability to create scalable, maintainable applications. Design patterns like Model View Controller MVC and Model View Model MVVM are essential for structuring Android applications. MVC separates your app into 3 components, Model, View, and Controller, making it easier to manage complexity. MVVM, on the other hand, promotes separation of concerns and two-way data binding, which enhances testability and maintainability. Understanding these patterns and knowing when to apply them will help you build robust and scalable apps. Be prepared to discuss your experience with these architectures and how they've improved your projects. Strong foundation in the Android framework is crucial for any developer. Interviewers will likely ask about your experience with core components such as activities, fragments, services, and broadcast receivers. Demonstrating your familiarity with the framework shows that you can leverage its capabilities to build powerful and feature-rich applications. In this scene, we'll discuss how to highlight your experience with the Android framework and why it's important to stay updated with the latest features and best practices. Android Jetpack is a suite of libraries and tools provided by Google to simplify development. Jetpack components offer functionalities like navigation, data persistence, and UI building blocks. Familiarity with Jetpack demonstrates your ability to build efficient and maintainable apps. Additionally, knowledge of popular libraries such as Retrofit for network requests and Glide for image loading can set you apart. Being well-versed in these tools shows that you can integrate third-party solutions effectively and stay current with industry standards. The Android ecosystem evolves rapidly, with new libraries, tools, and best practices emerging regularly. Staying updated is not just about learning new features, but also about understanding how they fit into your development workflow. Employers value candidates who are proactive in keeping their skills current. In this scene, we'll discuss strategies for staying informed, such as following official Android blogs, participating in developer communities, and experimenting with new tools in your projects. Creating engaging and user-friendly Android applications requires a solid understanding of UI design principles. Interviewers may ask about your experience with designing intuitive interfaces and adhering to guidelines like Google's material design. Demonstrating your ability to create visually appealing and functional UIs shows that you care about the user experience. In this scene, we'll explore how to showcase your UI design skills and the importance of following established design standards in your projects. Understanding lifecycle components is essential for managing the state and resources of your Android applications. Activities and fragments have distinct lifecycles, and efficient management ensures smooth user experiences and optimal resource utilization. Interviewers may ask you to explain how you handle lifecycle events and prevent memory leaks. In this scene, we'll discuss best practices for managing lifecycle components and how to demonstrate your expertise during interviews. Comprehensive understanding of the Android operating system is a valuable asset. Employers look for candidates who can leverage the OS's capabilities to build compatible and efficient apps. This includes knowledge of system services, permissions, and device compatibility. In this scene, we'll cover how to highlight your understanding of the Android OS and why it's important for developing apps that work seamlessly across a wide range of devices. APIs are the backbone of modern Android applications, enabling apps to communicate with external services. Interviewers will expect you to demonstrate your experience with REST-TFL APIs and data formats like JSON and XML. Highlight your ability to interact with APIs, retrieve data, and parse it using libraries such as JSON and Jackson. In this scene, we'll discuss how to showcase your API integration skills and the importance of handling data efficiently in your apps. Databases are essential for storing and managing data in Android applications. Interviewers may ask about your knowledge of database design principles and your experience with solutions like Room. Familiarity with Object Relational Mapping, ORM, libraries can simplify database interactions. In this scene, we'll explore how to demonstrate your database skills and why understanding data storage is crucial for building robust apps. Integrating external services through APIs and databases enhances the functionality of your Android applications. Employers value developers who can seamlessly connect their apps to third-party services, ensuring smooth data flow and user experiences. In this scene, we'll discuss best practices for integrating external services and how to highlight your experience during interviews. Solid grasp of app architecture principles is essential for building maintainable and scalable Android applications. Interviewers may ask about your experience with structuring codebases, separating concerns, and organizing projects for long-term success. In this scene, we'll explore different architectural patterns and how they contribute to code organization, reusability, and testability. Understanding architectural patterns like MVP Model View Presenter, MVC Model View Controller, and MVVM Model View Model is crucial. Each pattern offers unique benefits in terms of code organization and testability. Be prepared to discuss how you've applied these patterns in your projects and the advantages they bring. In this scene, we'll break down each pattern and provide tips for explaining them during interviews. Testing is a critical part of Android development. Employers want to know that you can write effective tests to ensure the quality and reliability of your applications. Be ready to discuss different types of tests, including unit tests, integration tests, and UI tests. In this scene, we'll cover the importance of testing and how to demonstrate your testing skills during interviews. Familiarity with popular testing frameworks like JUnit, Espresso, and Mockito is essential. These tools help you write and automate tests, verify code functionality, and ensure application quality. In this scene, we'll discuss how to showcase your experience with testing frameworks and the role they play in delivering robust Android apps. Testing contributes to creating reliable and bug-free applications. It helps catch issues early, improves code quality, and builds confidence in your releases. Employers appreciate developers who prioritize testing as part of their workflow. In this scene, we'll highlight the benefits of testing and how it fits into the overall development process. Building tools like Gradle and Maven are integral to the Android development ecosystem. They help automate tasks, manage dependencies, and streamline your workflow. Interviewers may ask about your experience with these tools and how you've used them to improve efficiency. In this scene, we'll discuss the role of Gradle and Maven in Android projects and tips for showcasing your expertise. Gradle scripts allow you to automate repetitive tasks, such as building, testing, and deploying your app. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error. In this scene, we'll explore examples of tasks you can automate with Gradle and how to discuss these experiences during interviews. Effective dependency management is crucial for maintaining a stable and scalable codebase. Maven and Gradle make it easy to add, update, and manage libraries in your project. Interviewers may ask how you handle dependencies and resolve conflicts. In this scene, we'll discuss best practices for dependency management and how to highlight your experience. Every developer encounters build challenges, such as dependency conflicts or build failures. Employers value candidates who can troubleshoot and resolve these issues efficiently. In this scene, we'll share strategies for overcoming common build challenges and how to discuss your problem-solving skills during interviews. Version control systems like Git are essential for managing source code, tracking changes, and collaborating with team members. Interviewers will expect you to be proficient with Git commands and workflows. In this scene, we'll discuss the importance of version control and how to showcase your Git expertise during interviews. Familiarity with essential Git commands like commit, push, and pull is a must. Employers may also ask about your experience with branching and merging strategies. In this scene, we'll cover the most important Git commands and how to explain your workflow during interviews. Collaboration is a key aspect of software development. Employers look for candidates who can work effectively in teams, manage code conflicts, and integrate new features smoothly. In this scene, we'll discuss best practices for team collaboration and how to highlight your teamwork skills during interviews. Maintaining code integrity is essential for delivering high-quality applications. Version control systems like GitHelp ensure that changes are tracked, reviewed, and integrated seamlessly. In this scene, we'll explore strategies for maintaining code integrity and how to discuss your experience with integration during interviews. The tech industry is always evolving, and continuous learning is key to staying relevant. Employers value candidates who are proactive about learning new skills and adapting to changes. In this scene, we'll discuss strategies for continuous learning and how to demonstrate your commitment to growth during interviews. One of the best ways to demonstrate your skills is by showcasing your projects. Employers appreciate candidates who can present real-world examples of their work. In this scene, we'll discuss how to prepare your portfolio and highlight key projects during interviews. Every developer faces challenges, whether it's debugging complex issues or learning new technologies. Employers want to know how you approach and overcome obstacles. In this scene, we'll share tips for discussing challenges and problem-solving strategies during interviews. Setbacks are a natural part of any career. What matters most is how you learn from them and use those lessons to grow. In this scene, we'll discuss how to frame setbacks as learning opportunities and demonstrate resilience during interviews. Seeking advice from experienced professionals can provide valuable insights and shortcuts to success. In this scene, we'll discuss the importance of mentorship and how to incorporate expert advice into your interview preparation. Interview preparation can be demanding, but staying motivated is key to success. Set clear goals, track your progress, and celebrate small wins along the way. In this scene, we'll share strategies for maintaining motivation and a positive mindset throughout your preparation journey. Feeling nervous before an interview is completely normal. The key is to channel that energy into preparation and confidence. In this scene, we'll discuss techniques for managing interview nerves and presenting yourself confidently. Practicing with mock interviews is one of the most effective ways to prepare. Simulate real interview scenarios, get feedback, and refine your answers. In this scene, we'll discuss how to set up mock interviews and the benefits of practice. In addition to technical skills, employers often ask behavioral questions to assess your soft skills and cultural fit. Be prepared to discuss your teamwork, communication, and problem-solving abilities. In this scene, we'll cover common behavioral questions and tips for answering them effectively. Technical challenges are a core part of Android interviews. Be ready to solve coding problems, debug issues, and explain your thought process. In this scene, we'll discuss how to approach technical challenges and demonstrate your problem-solving skills. Soft skills like communication, adaptability, and teamwork are just as important as technical abilities. Employers look for well-rounded candidates who can collaborate effectively and adapt to new challenges. In this scene, we'll discuss how to highlight your soft skills during interviews. After each interview, take time to reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. In this scene, we'll share tips for self-assessment and how to use feedback to grow as a developer. Building connections within the Android developer community can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Attend meetups, join online forums, and participate in open-source projects. In this scene, we'll discuss the benefits of networking and how to get involved. There are countless online resources available to help you prepare for Android interviews, from tutorials and documentation to coding platforms and forums. In this scene, we'll highlight some of the best resources and how to make the most of them. As your interview approaches, focus on reviewing key concepts, practicing coding problems, and refining your communication skills. Stay positive, be confident, and remember that preparation is the key to success. In this scene, we'll share final tips to help you feel ready and confident on interview day. Congratulations on making it through this comprehensive guide to mastering the Android developer interview. We've covered everything from programming languages and design patterns to testing, version control, and soft skills. Remember, continuous learning and preparation are your best allies. Approach each interview as a learning experience, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. With dedication and the right mindset, you're well on your way to landing your dream job as an Android developer. Best of luck in your upcoming interviews and future endeavors.